Hello and welcome back to my green corner. So today I have with me a very handsome plant, Monstera adansonii, and I am going to share some tips and tricks how to grow it properly, how to make it bushier, and also how to propagate it. So watch the complete video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, share this video with the friends who love plants and keep gardening. These plants stand out from all other because it have this beautiful net structure leaves. Monstera adansonii is also known as sweet cheese plant, Adanson's monstera, or five holes plant. This plant love bright indirect sunlight. It can survive in lower light condition but growth may slow. Keep this plant out of direct sunlight because that can cause leaves burn. This plant likes to dry out to about 75% before it is watered again. Never allow your plant to sit in water or soggy soil as this can lead to root rot. This plant need to fertilize from spring to the end of summer. I use organic fertilizer and cow dung for my plant. Like pothos, this plant also have aerial roots at its node. So giving a proper support with the help of moss stick will help this plant to grow properly and make it more bushier. I use simple U-pin to stick my plant into the moss stick. For propagation of this plant, cut this plant at its node where you can see aerial roots. Put this cutting in a water and change the water within 2 to 3 days and you will notice a nice root growth within few weeks. I like to replant it to its mother plant so that it will look so fulfilled and lush green. When I bought this plant, it was not healthy. It rarely have some leaves, but with proper care, nutrition and sunlight, it's growing back. If you have any queries related to this plant, ask me in the comment section, and up to the next video. Bye bye.